You're running a beautiful online store with a wide range of products. Also, you've got thousands of orders and sales every day. And those sales generate revenue. With that, you also need to track refunds, customer activity, and plenty more behind the scenes. I mean, dealing with lots of data. But do you know, managing all of this data manually isn't just time consuming, it's nearly impossible to stay accurate. That's why you need a solution that works like a built-in command center. And that's exactly what FluentCart's Reports Dashboard is. So, in today's video, we'll explore what's inside FluentCart's Reports Dashboard, how each part of the Reports Dashboard transforms raw numbers into meaningful insights, explore every tab, and look at the key metrics, so that you can make smarter, data-driven decisions and grow your business efficiently from one organized place. All right, let's do it. Start with the FluentCart Detail Reporting Overview. It's your central hub for all store analytics. At the very beginning, you'll see a clear summary of your store's financial volume and how it's progressing over time. Your gross revenue is displayed in a bar chart organized by specific periods, monthly or quarterly. Just place your cursor on any bar to view the exact revenue of that period. A quick and simple way to get accurate insights at a glance. The next section highlights key visual insights that guide your business strategy. Gross volume and revenue breakdown shows how your revenue is performing quarter by quarter. It's comparing your current sales to the same period last year, so you can instantly see how much your store has grown. Hover your cursor over any line or bar, and a small card pops up showing both the previous and current revenue, along with the year-over-year growth percentage. Well, right below that, we have core revenue and geographic matrix. These sections go beyond raw sale numbers to give you a real view of your store's revenue and market performance. They show not just your revenue, but your business's and product's performance over time. So here, you can see your total income before all costs are deducted, and also your quarterly net revenue. If you look at the top country gross or net volume, you'll easily identify your top valuable geographic markets. These charts organize your sales and revenue data based on your customers' billing addresses. So this helps you see which regions bring in the most revenue, so that you can make an informed decision like where to focus on marketing, promotions, or even product availability. So there is also a line chart if you prefer to visualize the changes in gross and net revenue. All right, let's move on to the sales report section. This sales dashboard gives you a complete view of your revenue, orders, and customer behavior, helping you understand what's driving your sales and where your growth is heading all in one place. So you can effortlessly pick a built-in feature or choose a custom time period to compare different time periods, focus on specific products, or break down sales by order types. So this gives you full control to focus on what really matters for your business growth. Below the summary cards, these highlight your key sales matrix for the selected period. So they also show the percentage increase or decrease compared to the previous one. Now, if your store has lots of products and variants, it's important to know which items are killing the market and which variants are topping the charts. This insight helps you understand which products your customers love the most. So one of my personal favorite features is the source option. Here, you can easily see exactly where your revenue is coming from, whether it's subscriptions, renewals, or one-time payments. It's time to have a closer look at the Order tab. FluentCart gives you a deep dive into your store's order performance with in-depth analytics. The dashboard has detailed charts and tables that show everything at a glance. Just below the KPIs, you'll see the order report chart. So this graph gives you a clear visual of your store's activities over time. You can adjust the chart view to show data by month or year. By default, it's set to standard format, but if you want to track your orders more clearly, the toggle option lets you view it your way. Below the chart, the summary cards show additional details based on your sales, including tax and shipping costs. Underneath the table shows you exactly who is buying, new or returning customers. So this helps you measure loyalty and understand how many new buyers you're attracting. You can view this data as percentage or even export it as a CSV file to keep a backup for your future reference. There's also another table grouped according to country. Now, look at this table. This heat map visualizes your store's busiest times. It also showcases which days of the week and hours of the day generate the most orders. All you need to do is use the slider option to see which days have the most and least order at a glance. Also, hover your cursor over any block to see the exact number along with the day and time. It gives you valuable insight into your customers' ordering patterns. You can also see spending by hour and day in separate graphs. And at the bottom of the report, you'll find detailed charts that help you understand customers' behavior and order trends. Now, let's talk about revenue. The first glance provides you with all the key metrics. You'll first see a quick summary of your store's overall sales activity. And the chart shows you how your earnings have changed over time, making it easy to compare income from two different periods. And if you want to focus on a single data set, you can simply hide the others for a cleaner view. You can also choose whether to see it all in a bar chart or a line chart, depending on how you like to view your data. The revenue comparison section helps you know whether your store is actually growing and how effective your sales strategy is. But let's be honest, keeping track of previous year's revenue manually and comparing it with the current period is nearly impossible. That's where FluentCart makes things simple. Just set your filters at the top, and within seconds, you'll see a revenue comparison right on the dashboard with the percentage change. Now, let's have a quick look at the refunds. Inside the FluentCart Refunds report, you'll get a detailed overview of all the refund activity happening in your store. It shows how often refunds occur, the total amount refunded, and patterns that might highlight issues with specific products or experiences. For instance, the weeks between order created and refund date chart shows how long it typically takes for customers to request a refund after making a purchase. So this helps you spot whether issues appear immediately or later on, giving you the insights you need to fix the problems. However, if you switch to the subscription tab, you'll instantly get an overview via the subscription chart. It visually compares new subscriptions across two different time periods, giving you a clear idea of how your store's growth is trending. You can even use the interactive controls in the top right corner to adjust the view, zoom in, or download the chart as an image. It's a quick and easy way to see how your subscription plans are performing at a glance. You can also see your upcoming renewals from there easily. Okay, moving on to the next tab, the product report. So, as the owner of an online store, whether you sell physical or digital products, it's essential to know which items are your bestseller, track sales volumes, and compare performance over time to spot trends. With Product Report Chart, you can easily see how your product sales have changed between two time periods. This table lets you analyze individual product performance between two specific months. You can quickly see whether a product sold in the previous month versus the current one, along with the exact numbers and percentage change. This makes it easy to spot which items are driving your store's sales. And finally, we've reached the Customers Report. This is where you can see if your customer base is actually growing over time. So the main focus here is on new customers, giving you a quick snapshot of who's joining your store. By checking this report, you can easily spot seasonal trends and see how well your marketing efforts are paying off. And there you have it. That's a complete walkthrough of FluentCart's Reports Dashboard, your all-in-one command center for managing your online store. From tracking revenue and orders to understanding customer behavior, monitoring subscriptions, refunds, and product performance, every insight is just a few clicks away. With this data at your fingertips, you can make smarter data-driven decisions, spot trends, and grow your business efficiently. So why wait? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.